Sheriff's Office is requesting an Amber Alert. Jocelyn Lear, a 7-month-old white female, hazel eyes and brown hair, was last seen only wearing a diaper and in the company of mother, Shelley Lear. A 39-year-old white female, 5'3", 119 pounds, last seen wearing hot pink tank top and black shorts, driving a red Ford Focus with gray or green spray paint on passenger side of vehicle. Kentucky license plate, BWV 609. Child is assumed to be in great danger due to mother's drug use and child past exposure and overdose. DCB South has emergency custody order for child. Now looking at